Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you fine. Today we will discuss about the leveling topic. What is the importance of taking levels on the ground? The main importance of leveling is while we conducting the leveling operation, we can easily find out the earthwork excavation calculations and earthwork drainage calculations and some more other topics can be easily identified. For this purpose, we are using the leveling work on the ground. Now coming to the field work, without knowing the leveling topic, we cannot do any single work on the ground. As being a civil engineer, you have to know about the total topic of the leveling work. For that purpose, today we will discuss about the how to take the levels, how to find out the levels of the different points on the ground. That is our major topic today. If we want to take levels at A, B, C, D, E. For before that, first you have to fix the instrument on the ground, which is at a convenient point. Let us take the station point is O1. Now take this is the benchmark. Benchmark means its level is already known. The known elevation of any point is named as benchmark. The first staff reading is taken on the benchmark. First, we have to hold the staff on the benchmark and then we have to take the readings on the benchmark. After then, the staff is shifted to the second station, that is A. Again, after taking the staff reading at A, again shift the staff to station B. Again take the reading at B. Now shift the staff towards C and again take the reading at C. Suppose if you held the staff at D, it may or may not be visible to the staff from the station O1. Then it is necessary to shift the instrument to another convenient point, that is O2. So now from the station point O1, we have taken staff readings at the benchmark, at A, at B and at C. So totally 4 staff readings were taken from the station point O1. Now coming to the readings, the first staff reading which was taken on the benchmark is termed as backside. That is backside. The last staff reading before shifting the instrument from station O1 to O2, that was taken on the station point C. That staff reading is termed as foresight. The remaining sites which were taken in between the backside and foresight are termed as intermediate sites. So out of these 4 staff readings, the first staff reading is a backside, the last staff reading is foresight, and the remaining 2 staff readings were treated as intermediate sites. So here this is the foresight. The last staff reading is foresight. Now again shift the instrument from O1 to O2. Whenever the instrument is shifted at another point O2, immediately you have to take the reading on this point C, because this is the point already we can calculate the elevation of this point. So at C, whenever the staff is held at point C, the instrument after setup at the O2, we have to take the reading on the staff which was held at point C. That reading is treated as backside, because that is the first staff reading which was taken after instrument was set up at the O2. Now from the instrument at O2, we can take staff readings on D, at E, etc. The same manner will be continued till the end point was reached. So now all these staff readings are treated as back sides and foresight and intermediate sides, and they are filled into a tabular form. Suppose if you draw a tabular form in such a manner, that is, this is station, second one is back side, next one intermediate sides, next one four sides, next height of instrument, next RL, last one is remarks if any. Now we discuss about the posting of the staff readings. How can we post all the staff readings into a tabular form? For that purpose, we are taking an example. Let us take this example. Let us assume that these are all the staff readings. Here I have taken 8 staff readings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all the staff readings which were taken by using a dumpy leveling instrument. The instrument was shifted after 3rd and 6th staff readings. Here the 3rd reading is 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd reading, and 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th reading. After taking these 2 staff readings, the instrument was shifted to another place. Now, how can we post all these staff readings into this tabular form? This tabular form is used for the height of instrument method. Before that, first you should identify the back sides, intermediate sides and foresights from these staff readings. Let us take the first staff reading which is taken on the benchmark is back side, and the last staff reading, here the last staff reading is 2.50. This is the foresight. The first staff reading is back side and the last staff reading is foresight. The next step is, here the instrument shifted after 3rd and 6th readings. So the 3rd reading, here the 3rd reading is 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd reading. This 3rd reading, and 4, 5, 6. This is 6th reading. These 2 readings are taken as a foresights. Okay, once again I am repeating the process. The first staff reading is back side and the last staff reading is foresight. This is the first step. The second step is identify the instrument shifted readings. The instrument is shifted after 3rd and 6th readings. So the 3rd reading and the 6th reading is taken as a foresight. The next step is the staff readings which is taken immediately after the foresight is treated as a back side. Here this is foresight, so this is a back side. So the third step is the staff readings which were taken immediately after the foresight is treated as a back sides. Now all back sides and foresights were recorded. The remaining sides other than back sides and foresights are treated as intermediate sides. Intermediate sides. This is the process of identifying the all the staff readings as a back sides, intermediate sides and foresights. Now all these staff readings are posted into this tabular form. Here we have to draw the tabular form in this manner. Number, back sides, intermediate sides, foresights, height of instrument, reduced levels and remarks column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns are to be drawn. And number of rows, generally the number of rows are, how many total staff readings are here? Here the staff readings are 8 staff readings. The instrument was shifted after 2 staff readings. So 8 minus 2, that is 6 staff readings, 6. So 6 rows are to be drawn here. Once again I am repeating the process. The total staff readings are 8. The instrument was shifted after 2 staff readings. So 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. So 6 rows are drawn. Now posting of the staff readings into this tabular form. The first one is back side. So here I have written this 1.5 as a back side in the first row. The second one is intermediate side. So in the second row, under the intermediate side, in the intermediate side column, it is marked 1.0. The third one is foresight. So third one is foresight, that is called 2.0. So backside, intermediate side and foresight. Whenever you write the foresight, immediately you have to remember that the backside is taken on the same row. So the next one is backside. This backside is 3.0. This is to be right in the same row of the third column. The next one is intermediate side. Again the process is same, followed as before. Backside, intermediate side and foresight. Similarly backside 3.0 and next one 3.50 and next one 1.50. This is a foresight. So here we have to follow the process. The staff readings are to be started from backside to intermediate side and foresight. If there is no any backside, there is no problem. The backside, immediately the next reading is foresight. If any intermediate sides are there, they are to be followed. And finally we have to reach the foresight. That is the process of posting the staff readings. Again, whenever we post the foresight reading, whenever we record the foresight reading, in the same row we have to post the backside. Here 2.0 is the foresight. The next immediately after coming is backside. This backside is to be posted in the same row. Next one is intermediate side. Next one 1.50 is foresight. Here we write 1.50 in foresight column. So definitely there must be a backside. The foresight, the immediately next foresight is backside. This backside is posted in this row 2.0. Now again the process started from backside. Backside, next intermediate side and foresight. But here there is no any intermediate side. So the immediately next reading is foresight, that is foresight. If there is any intermediate side, you have to write in this place. So as there is no any intermediate side, we can post into the foresight column. This is the way of posting all the staff readings. Once again I am repeating this process. First one is backside, second one is intermediate side, third one is foresight. When you write the foresight, in the same row we have to start from a backside. So the backside is 3 and again intermediate side and the third one is foresight. Again in the same row we start from backside. Backside, as there is no intermediate side, we can directly enter into the foresight. So our staff readings are marked from backside to foresight. This is the process: backside, intermediate side, foresight, backside, intermediate side, foresight, backside, foresight. So there are number of backsides 3. 3 backsides are there. So at every backside, first before that we have to identify the RL of the first point. Here the RL of benchmark is 100. RL of benchmark is 100 meters. This is RL of benchmark. So how can we find the height of instrument? Height of instrument HI is backside plus RL. Backside plus RL is height of instrument. So here RL is 100 and backside is 1.50. Whenever we add these two values, then we can find the height of instrument. Here 100 plus 1.5, that is 101.50 is the height of instrument. So from height of instrument we have to subtract intermediate side or foresight, whatever it may be. Here HI is 101.50. From this value we have to subtract intermediate side value 1. Then you can find the RL. So RL is 101.50 minus IS, that is equal 100.50. Again the next reading is foresight. 101.50 minus 2, that is called 99.50. So HI minus IS is equal to RL. HI minus FS is equal to RL. But again we find the backside and RL. Whenever backside and RL, there is another height of instrument. So here 3 plus 99.50, that is equal to 102.50 is another height of instrument value. Okay, height of instrument is 102.50. Again the same process, HI minus IS, HI minus FS. So HI minus IS, 102.50 minus 3.50, that is equal to 99, that is the RL. Again HI 102.50 minus Fs, that is equal to 101. 102.50 minus 1.50, I think it is 101. Again there is another height of instrument, as there is a RL and backside. Whenever there is a backside and RL, the HI value may be varied. So 101 plus 2, that is equal to 103.00. Okay, 103.00 is the another HI value. Now from HI again the same process, HI minus, there is no IS, so HI minus FS, 103.00 minus 2.50, that is equal to 100.50. I think 100.50 is correct answer. Okay, 100.50. In such a way we can find the total RLs of the ground points. Once again I am repeating the process. First, how many backsides are there? There are 3 backsides. So as there are 3 number of backsides, the HI values are also in a 3 values. Whenever there is a backside, there is a HI. Here backside, there is a HI. There is a backside, there is a HI. Next, HI minus IS is equal to RL. HI minus FS is equal to RL. Again RL plus backside. New HI value, HI minus IS, RL, HI minus FS, RL, again RL plus backside, new HI, HI minus FS is equal to RL. In such a way, we have to find all the RLs of the points. Here, when there is a backside and foresight is taken at a point, that point is termed as turning point, TP, turning point or change point. Here backside and foresight is there, so this is a TP. Sometimes it is also termed as change point. This is the process. Now there is an arithmetic check to identify the values of the RLs, to check the process whether it is correct or not. For that purpose we are using an arithmetic check. That arithmetic check is, okay, arithmetic check is sigma Bs difference of sigma Fs is equal to first RL difference of last RL. First RL difference of last RL. Here sigma Bs, the total Bs value is 256.50. Total Fs value 3.546. Okay, sigma Bs is equal to 6.50, difference of 6.0 is equal to first RL 100, difference of last RL 100.50. Here the difference is 0.50 meters. Here the difference is 0.50 meters. So the check is correct. Okay. Here the arithmetic check is sigma Bs difference of sigma Fs. The difference between the sigma Bs and sigma Fs is 6.50 and 6, that is equal to 0.50. It must be equal to the first RL difference of last RL 100 and 100.50. So it is 0.50. So the check is correct. This is the process of identifying the total process of posting the staff readings into the tabular form and finding out the total RLs, and again total arithmetic check is to be done. Okay, thank you.